In this video, I'm going to show you how to export animation in Clip Studio Paint. So to do this, the easiest way is to just have an animation, and then you want to go to the top left, click on File, and from here you want to do Export Animation. Now you have a bunch of different options over here, and depending on whichever one you want to use, you must click that specific one. So you can export it as image sequence if you want to. Then you have an animated GIF, which will allow you to basically create a GIF. So like this, I can click on Save, for example, and then I can select if I want to export as transparent. I can select the amount of loops I want, etc. Of course, the sizes as well, and then press OK, and it's going to export the animation as GIF. You also have the option to export as animated sticker or WebP, or of course, the one that's usually going to be the most used, the MP4 or the movie. So if I click on this, I can select if I want AVI or MP4. For example, I'm going to name this one Fox Hey, and then .mp4. If I click on Save here, I can then select the scaling. I can select if I want to, of course, change the options over here, of course, the frame rate, stuff like that. Then click on OK, and it's going to export onto your computer inside the folder you select, and you'll be able to kind of get a video just like that, which you can then open and play just like any other MP4 video. So that's how to export it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.